Here's how to convert MOV to FLAC audio. I use an app called ConvertSave, and I think it's like the simplest, quickest solution there is. All you have to do is find your MOVs, drag and drop them into ConvertSave. It knows what outputs you can do, so in this case, video or FLAC. We'll just choose that FLAC audio, and we hit Convert, and it converts and saves right next to wherever the originals were. Doesn't get any quicker than that. So for me, personally, I actually went to my brother, who's a software developer, and we created ConvertSave because I was sick of how slow it was to go to any random website and try to do my conversions. And so now we have this app called ConvertSave. You can download for Windows or Mac. It works on both, and it converts images, video, and audio. And it does it all offline. So there is no uploading, no downloading. Turn off your network. You can still do conversions, and it converts quick and saves right where the file came from. And also, you can add in custom advanced settings. So like if you want a certain conversion or certain effects or different things to happen, you can actually add them in here in this custom section. It's going to use defaults. It's going to show you the tool that's being used, and this is going to save for whatever the actual conversion is. So you can use it over and over again, and you don't have to come in here and build it every time. But if you don't know these commands, you can actually go to the options builder, and it'll show you all the options for this conversion type and let you come in here and adjust, put in some audio filters. If you want to trim it out from a certain start and end point, you can do that in here. You can even change some of the quality settings and the codecs and all this kind of stuff here on every conversion. And we make it simple so that this will save. And if we apply these flags and hit done, then now my custom conversion, you can see there's an indicator. I'm using a custom one. Anytime I bring this in and do this conversion, I can just drag, drop, convert, save, and it does my custom one instead of the defaults. So a lot of cool things you can add here in ConvertSave, as well as just converting files super, super quickly. I appreciate your guys' support as we continue to develop this and add more features and formats. And let me know if you check it out. So convertsave.com, or there's a link in the pinned comments down there or the description. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.